Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I have a Chevrolet Avalanche 1.6 remote control car. This car is in perfect working order, and I will attempt to show you the car itself working. The front bonnet does open up, but as you can see, with a snap it sounds like it's going to break. There's the motor. The front doors, the passenger door and the driver door opens. Like this. And also the back opens too. But there are a couple of tabs missing, which is rather annoying because obviously it could come off. The aerial straw piece is a little bit broken. This is a 2002 model, which I will show you when I come to putting the batteries in. It comes with the original 9.6 volt charger, 4-hour charge, and the original remote controller, and a spare battery. And also the antennae is nice and straight, which we will see in a moment. Right, now as lights on the front, red being the first gear, the second gear, the third gear, and this being your alarm to turn the car off itself. The wing mirrors open and close, open and close. I will show you the underneath of the car. This is the underneath of the car. Like I said, 2002 model. Nice condition. There were no cracks or anything in the tyres. Lights and everything work on this car. The controller itself takes 4 AA batteries. And just putting the antennae on the remote control. And I am now placing the batteries in the back of the remote control to show you this radio control car is working as it should. It's to show you it's in first gear. There are lights on the remote control. Yellow for second, green for third. There's a horn and a lock and 3 different speeds. I shall put the car on now. Right, first speed, second speed, third speed, I've put the lock on, which I'll show you the other side of the control car. As you can see, the lock is working. I shall now place the car in working order in first gear. And take it off a lock. It is in third gear. Second. First gear. There are indicators on the car, which have been shown here and shown here. It's very awkward to steer this and have one control hand on a tablet. You have to bear with me for a moment while I just try and figure this out with using 2 fingers on the controls. Oh, and he's just busted the door. Not really. Let's just close that door again. And let's try and rearrange it. It's quite difficult to do it holding the tablet as well as playing with the car. Oops, wrong way. There's the lights at the front, and which it's probably better if I go around the other way to show you the lights at the back. Otherwise we end up with probably no car. And there's the lights at the back. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.